Good afternoon to all. Let us start to revise the chapter statistics to find median. Okay. Take one question. Estimate the median for the following data. This is a class interval given. Class interval given. Frequency given. X given 2.5 to 3.5. Frequency 7. 3.5 to 4.5. Frequency 31. 4.5 to 5.5. Frequency 33. 5.5 to 6.5. Frequency 17. 6.5 to 7.5, frequency given 11. 7.5 to 8.5, it is given 11. 1 frequency 1 given. Total frequency you have to find out after adding all, and then you have to find out cumulative frequency table. Okay, cumulative frequency table you know how to draw. Frequency first 7, then write 7. So next is 31 frequency, that means 31 plus 7, it will be 38. Again next 33, 33 plus 33 is coming 71. Again 71 plus 17, it will be 88. Again 88 plus 11, 99. 99 plus 1, 100. Total frequency equal to 100. Therefore, summation Fi, total frequency equal to 100. Half will be 50. To find the median class, we have to find out the cumulative frequency table. The summation F by 2 equal to 50. Okay, 50 means before 88, means you have to consider. 50 means what? Before 71. Before 71, that means that this is the 71, you have to cumulative. Median class will be 4.5 to 5.5. Median class is 4.5 to 5.5. This is the frequency. Low limit equal to 4.5. Now you have to apply to find median. Okay. First to follow the table first. 50 means before 71. That means this is the median group, median class. 4.5 to 5. Frequency 33. And C equal to 38. Preceding class 38. Now you have to apply formula for to find median. Okay, just see. We note that 50th value lies in the class 4.5 to 5.5, which is therefore median class. The median formula is what? L plus n by 2, that is 50. L is low limit 4.5 minus C, that is before median class, that is 38 frequency. F is what? 33 into C. C means the width of class interval, that is 4.5 to 5.5 means gapping is what? 1 into 1. After simplification I am getting 4.86 approximately. Okay. In this way one question completed. Let us go second question. The length of 50 years of barely, that is to the nearest millimeter, gave the following frequency distribution. The length in millimeter given 15 to 19, frequency 1. Then 20 to 24, frequency given 8. 25 to 29, this is not continuous. You have to adjust 0.5 adding and 0.5 subtracting. You have to add 0.5 to upper limit and you have to subtract 0.5 to low limit whenever it is not continuous given. Because 15 to 19 it is static, 20 to 21 difference. For that case you have to add 0.5 with low limit, upper limit, and you have to subtract 0.5 to low limit. Frequency given 1, 8, 10, 16, 15. You have to draw cumulative frequency table for the median. 1, next it should be 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 10, 19, 19 plus 16, 35, 35 plus 15, 50. Now, n by 2 equal to how much? 50, 50 by 2 equal to how much? 25, yes or no? 25 means before 35, that means median class will be 29.5 to 34.5. Okay, frequency is 16. The first of all you find n by 2, that is 25, fifth value, as it lies in the class 29.5 to 34.5, which is the median class. Low limit is 29.5, L is equal to 29.5 plus n by 2 means 25, C means before, that is 19, by frequency you are 16 into what is the gapping. The width of the class interval is 29.5 to 34, that means 5 gap. Essentially into 5, C is equal to 5. After simplification, I am getting 31.375. Second question completed. Next, third question you see. Third question, calculate the median for the following data. See, it is given x given less than, that is 10, less than 10, 3, less than 20 given 9, less than 30 it is given 28, less than 40 means 40 given, less than 50 means 70, less than 60 means 102. This means indirectly cumulative frequency given. Less than 70, 140, less than 80, 120. This is cumulative frequency. Okay, that means first you have to copy the cumulative frequency table, then you have to write class interval 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40. In that way you have to arrange. First 0 to 10 it will be 3, frequency 3. Next is 10 to 20, 10 to 20 it will be 9 minus 3, that will be 6. Okay, the second one 20 to 30 it will be 28 minus 9, that is 19. Then 30 to 40 it will be 40 minus 28, 12. Then 40 to 50, 70 minus 40, that is 30. Then 50 to 60 will be 102 minus 70, that will be 32. Then 60 to 70, 114 minus 102, 12. The last one, that is 70 to 80, 122, 114, that is 6. After completing cumulative frequency table, then you have to see n by 2 coming. How much? 120 by 2 means 60. 60th observation means before 70. That means this is the median class, 40 to 50. The low limit is 40. You have to write 40. L means 40. N by 2 60 minus C. C means here just before, that is 40. 60 minus 40 by F. F means frequency, that is 30. Into width of the class interval, gapping. Upper limit and low limit. How much? 10 into 10. After simplification, you are getting 46.66. In this set, 3 questions I have completed from the chapter median. Okay. Let us take one more question. Next question, find the median for the following data. Height given more than 10. Number of plants given 55. More than 10, that is 50 given. More than 20, that is 40. More than 30, 20 given. More than 50, that is 15 given. Okay. Here the cumulative more than frequency are given. So we can construct the following table like this. Height given 0 more than 10 means you have to write first 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 50 plus one, more than 50. Okay. Now how to find out? Just you see. More than 50, that is given 30, and more than 30, and 30 to 50 it will be how much? 15, right? Yes or no? 15, and this will be 5. Just adjust here. Next cumulative frequency, after completing frequency, then cumulative frequency, how will find? This is, see, 55 minus 50, how much? 5. Then 50 minus 40, how much? 10. Then 40 minus 20, 20. 20 minus 15, 5. Okay. More than 50 plus, that means we have to write plus. In this way, cumulative frequency have to complete. Cumulative frequency 5, next 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 20, 35, 35 plus 15, 50, 50 plus 5, 55. Because last it is 55 given, therefore more than 50 means it will be 5 you have to write. Total frequency how much coming? 55. So 55 n by 2 equal to how much? 27.5. 27.5 means before 35. That means before 30, median class 20 to 30, low limit 20, n by 2, 27.5. Before 35, that means this is 15, C is 15, F that is 20, and C means width of the class interval. Put these values. After simplification, you are getting 26.25. In this way, few questions I have explained from the chapter statistics, that is to find median. Okay. I hope you are able to understand the process solving. Next question, last question today. Calculate the median for the following data. Mid value, you have mid value provided 115, 125, respectively frequency also provided. The 115 and here 125. So what is the difference? 10 difference. That means 5 you have to add, 5 you have to subtract. Mid value given 115. 10 difference means 5 you have to add, 120, 110 to 120. You have to construct cumulative frequency after completing class interval. 110 to 120, frequency given 6. All the frequency write step by step. Then from there you have to find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative 6 will be there. 6 plus 25, 31, 31 plus 48, 79, 79 plus 72, 151, 151 plus 116, it is coming 267, plus 60, it is coming 327, 327 plus 38, 365, plus 22, it is coming 387, next 387 plus it is coming 390, total frequency 390, half it will be 195, okay, 195 means before 267, after 151. That means the median class will be 150 to 160, L equal to 150, N by 2 195, C will be 151, frequency is equal to 116, C is the gapping 10-10 gap. After simplification I am getting 153.79. Okay, thank you for today's class. Try to practice this chapter median to find median using formula method.